Hi guys, and welcome back to another video of Brain Science. So in this video, just like the title says, we are going to check out the Boya BY-MM1, which is a cardioid microphone that is going out of my mouth. So let's just say it's a shotgun microphone that will do the job for us. So I'm not going to do an unboxing, but still we will check out what all comes with inside this box. So first of all, we get the microphone with a furry windshield, so that's here, and then a pouch. Not gonna say anything about that. Then we get some papers, and then we get a horseshoe mount and a quarter-inch female thread down there, so you can simply mount it to a tripod or any other stands. And then we get two cables. So this cable is actually a TRS to TRS. So this one is for the DSLR cameras and other stuff. So this one is what we need. If you are kind of like looking for a microphone for your phone, then this is the TRS to TRRS. I hope it's focusing right. Let's see. And if you guys want to know anything about the microphones, other specifications or anything, just have a look at it, okay? I'm not going to say anything about it. Freeze the screen and look through all the things. Okay, that's all. So usually what I do is I actually kind of use an application called Volume Booster to boost the audio for this video right now. I'm going to use that for this intro video. So after that I will be testing out the normal microphone sound and the Boyas. So this is all metal actually. So we have the Boyas branding right there, and the branding of this furry windshield. Yeah. Okay, so nothing else. So right now I'm going to compare this audio quality with that of the phones without using any app. So if you guys can't afford this kind of mic, maybe you have another option from Boya, which is called BY-MM1, which is a lavalier microphone, the clip-on microphone with kind of like a 6-meter cord length. So you can just simply put onto your collar or something, and then you can plug in the wire. So that's kind of a good deal too, and it comes under like an 800 or something, that range. I think 800 to 1000, I think, the lavalier microphone BY-MM1. This one comes under like 1690 or something, both in Amazon and Flipkart. So if you are from outside India, then how can I say, so BY-MM1, the lavalier microphone, might come around at $15 or something, and this one might come around at $25 or $26. I think I'm not so good with the conversion rates, but you can actually check it out at the external links, like the sites like Amazon.com, and then we have like Banggood, AliExpress, Gearbest, I don't know. So we are not going into much details. Let's check it out. So the first video will be just using the internal microphone and with no volume boosters at all, and the second one by using the Boya BY-MM1 and also not going to boost the volume. So let's see. Hi guys, so this is the audio without using the Boya's BY-MM1 microphone. This is the natural video microphone's capability of your phone, if in case of my phone. So let's see how good it is. Hey guys, so this is the recording with the Boya mic on. I'm actually using the Boya mic plugged directly into my phone and using the application called the Open Camera. We can just simply download it from the Play Store. Okay, so straight from the fact, I can simply say that this kind of delivers a good audio quality. So We don't have to say anything else. The Boya mic actually right now running and doing a good job. So that's it for the video, guys. Like, comment, and if you guys like my videos, subscribe. My goal is to get 100 subscribers within the end of September. So see you guys in the next video. Bye.